So let's begin. So when I start editing this video, I'm just gonna keep it running and then you know, stop or re-edit whenever I'm done. But I'm trying to do 2 videos today. I'm gonna do the yeah, so whatever. Let's see here. Oh, what am I doing? Oh yeah, changing this shit up. So you see me doing this like crazy, right? Well, I'm doing this kind of brutishly because I've done it before. But okay, we'll scratch that. We'll skip that part. And I'm gonna forget to skip it. Here, I just do this then. Okay. Well, anyways, so it won't let me do it because I don't have the battery in this bit. So, but what you have to do is you have to. I know the sun's in the way. You have to move the gear selector out of the way and put it down all the way to probably to like 1 or something. So you have to move it all the way down to like 1 to get it out the fucking way. And here, this is gonna be a challenge for me because and then disconnect the negative thing to your battery. Now, do it by the book though. If you don't know what the hell you're doing, just do it by the book. It says to disconnect the negative. But in this van, you have to do this shit first, where you put it into 1, and then, you know, make sure the van doesn't move or something or whatever. Hit the emergency brake, then disconnect your negative, then keep going. I know, but you guys, I mean, obviously you do care about your vehicles, so don't fuck it up. Now, there's gonna be a lot of connectors and stuff on here. One is for this off thing. So that's back there. You want to get a little flathead screwdriver and hit the pin there. There's a pin here. You want to remove that. It makes it easier to take this big ass black thing off. So I'm going to zoom in, see if you can see it. There. That little pin. You see it, right? So you want to hit that pin. Remove that there. Now I would advise, and obviously I'm going to do all this. I'm rambling, but somebody's gonna fuck up, blow up their shit, and try to blame it on me. Be like, oh, Oscar said to blow my shit up. I'm like, no, Oscar didn't say to blow your shit up. So, yeah. Anyways, alright. So, sorry about that. So, anyway, so yeah, you're gonna do that, and there's gonna be some other clips back here. There's gonna be a clip for this guy right here, which is the this little AC bullshit. There's gonna be a clip for that and stuff like that. So once you take that clip off, it'll make it easier. You're not gonna be struggling like me because, like I said, this thing's in my way and I can't move it unless I put a battery in there. And I'm selling this van. I already took all this shit out. Yeah, I'm not selling it with a battery because it's just gonna be salvaged or whatever, junked. But so they don't need a battery for that shit. It doesn't work. Fuck. I don't care for brakes. I don't give a fuck. Alright. Well, I'll take that back. I kind of do care for brakes. I'm not trying to break anything. But if I have to, I will. The stereo right now is worth more than this van, honestly. Even though it's a cheap ass stereo. Alright, there we go. There we go, see? I disconnected that clip. And then, like I said, there's harnesses and shit back here. Oh, that's my feet. Okay, after you guys remove those clips and get that black piece thing out the way, plastic thing, whatever the fuck you want to call it, cover, emblem, whatever, then you have immediate access to the stereo. There's 4 screws, Phillips screws that hold it in place. You can use, I think you can use a 10 to get those out too, a 10mm with a ratchet, but I'm just using a Phillips because I have minimal tools out here. I'm in the backyard and it's real early in the morning and it's Texas and my allergies. Anyways, I'm rambling on. So, I got the black lung. Yeah, if you wanted to, you could do these clips here. I know the sun's coming up, so it's messing up my all this bowl. But there's clips here. You could unclip this, like I said, and you could unclip that and unclip that and get that shit out the way. I'm not gonna do all that. I said don't give a fuck if that breaks, but I would do it in your van if you don't want all that shit to break. So here are the 4 screws that I was talking about. There's 2 there and 2 there. basically you're gonna just, they're like little clamps that hold on to the side of the stereo, and we're gonna take those bitches off, and you know, don't lose them obviously, because we need those. Now if these are the originals, the first time I took this off, they were really difficult to take off. So once you remove the 4 screws, then what you're gonna do is just start wiggling this shit to get the bottom piece out. That's what the way I did it was I put this in before I tighten the screws, and then it holds it better. This is just, you know, a little cubby or whatever. So now we can see the hardness back there. I know the sun's in the way, sorry, it's early in the morning. So now that you have those screws out, you can start removing the stereo. Now, the way I wired this, I have enough space to take this bitch all the way out. And, oh look, there's a cable in here that I was using to test. Oh no, I needed that for grounding because it wasn't grounding right. So I had to hook that up to, there was an electrical ground problem that I remember about this bullshit band. And anyways, this band had a lot of problems, so, yeah, so I'm not gonna show you how to I literally wire the harness on this bitch. Because I mean that's not part of what I said how to wire a stereo, just how to remove the stereo. So that's really how you do it to get it off. Now I'm also going to do another video today on how to wire a stereo to a 2002 Trailblazer, so if you want to see that, just click on the link or whatever. So, but yeah, that's basically how you remove it. The install is the same shit. When you get your new radio or whatever you're going to use, you're going to put these the clamps on the radio like that, and screw that shit on there, and then screw the other side too, and then just enter it like that, and then like I said, you position this bitch. Well, it's backwards, but you know what I'm saying. You position it, you know how you need it. Then you're gonna put the bottom piece in there. Then once everything's set, then you screw it in and hold everything all at once. So that's how I did it. It was easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and that's it. So now I just take this. Like I said, this van is going to the junkyard, so I'm just gonna cut all these fucking wires out and remove it that way, and you can have. Thanks. Subscribe.